Levitation is the action of rising or causing something to rise and hover in the air, typically by means of magical powers. In this video, I am demonstrating levitation with the help of simple physics. We need a CD and a balloon. This is blue, but any color would do. We also need a Fevikwik. I rely on Fevikwik for strength. Then we need a bottle cap. This is, as you can see, a Coca-Cola bottle cap, and we have pierced a hole in it using a heated iron nail. What we do next is we use Fevikwik to cover the rim of the bottle cap and stick it over the CD hole. We do this in such a manner that the hole of the cap is roughly over the center of the CD hole. We place it carefully and done. Actually, I do not have confidence on this particular Fevikwik, so we leave our setup to dry for around 5-10 minutes. So now we have our CD cap system ready. The next step is to mount the balloon on the cap. But wait, we need to inflate the balloon first. This is my student doing the job. Thank you. Now as we wrap the end of the balloon around the cap and leave it, the CD starts levitating. The CD is actually in the air and not touching the surface on which it is hovering. You just watched an illustration of levitation where a CD could be levitated with the help of gushing air from the balloon. Hope you like it.